everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the vibrations on your Xbox Series X controller. So if you don't like the rumble feeling or something like that, or you're playing like Call of Duty or a first person shooter and it's just annoying you and causing you to miss aim or something like that, we can go to settings. Scroll on down to devices and connections and go to the right and go to controllers and headsets. Then under here, locate your controller. So here's my Elite controller, and this is going to look a little bit different. If we go to this and then go to profile, we have to go to our vibrations right here, and we can just slide this to the left to turn off all the vibrations. Now on your regular controller, if we go on back, this is going to be just a little bit different. So here's my normal controller. Let's go to configure, select the profile, select the slot, and then go to edit. We just have a simple option on or off for vibrations. Right here we can turn this on or off, and then you won't have anything causing you missing your aim or something like that. But we can also remap the buttons under here. So we select the top button, we can like move X, oh let's not do X, let's do Y, and then we can change Y to another button. So we can do like the left bumper or something like that. Just mess around with this. Sometimes I like putting the jump button to my right thumbstick, and then I can jump around corners and stuff. Or otherwise I'll do crouch in my right thumbstick. So you have some options right there. You can swap the sticks, so you can invert the controls right here or swap the triggers. But come to the section, just look at this. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.